Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel for Amplify Exchange, the only cryptocurrency brokerage where you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 14 other digital assets, all without ever paying a trading fee above spot pricing. This video continues our series on how to use the Amplify brokerage, the first product to be delivered by Amplify. In this video, we will cover how to trade cryptocurrency on your mobile device without fees. First of all, we're going to start at the Amplify Exchange homepage, which is amplifyexchange.com. Click the menu in the top right-hand corner, followed by the sign in button. If you have not registered, you can click the register button and take a look at the video in the top right-hand corner on how to become a level 1 trader during registration. You'll want to enter your login credentials, including your 2FA code if you have enabled 2FA. Now that you have logged in, you will land on your portfolio page where you can see your portfolio value and overall profit and loss over the last 24 hours. Scrolling down the portfolio page, you can view your asset allocation and summary of your wallets. We will cover wallet management and deposits and withdrawals for our mobile users in another video, but here you can see our current asset breakout. Today, we have some Cardano that we would like to sell for US dollars, but we could just as easily sell it for Bitcoin or other assets. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or trade, it all happens with no trading fees on Amplify Exchange. Clicking the menu icon in the top right corner, we will select the Markets navigation item. Using the filter at the top, you can toggle between Fiat, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ampex, and all markets. In this case, we will scroll down until we find the ADA/US dollar. We can expand the market by clicking the row and then view the charts and profile here. We are going to click the sell button and sell a portion of our Cardano for US dollars. Today we are going to sell 50% of our Cardano for US dollars. Enter the amount you would like to buy or sell in the given space and click the place sell order button. You will receive a confirmation screen with the locked in pricing for 15 seconds. You can see on the screen here that there are no fees above that price that is quoted. Confirm the order by clicking the place sell order button on the confirmation screen and your order will quickly process. That's it. The trade is done and you can close this panel out by just clicking close to move on to your next trade. But in this instant, let's click view my orders. Here you can see the order we just placed and click the row to expand it. In the details, you can see that the order status is fully executed and once again, no fees were charged to you, the customer. That's it for this how-to video. We hope it helped you understand the ability to trade without fees using your mobile device on amplifyexchange.com. Do me a favor and quickly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't yet experienced trading with the Amplify Advantage, head on over to amplifyexchange.com/register to experience true commission-free trading. We have some exciting promotions coming up before the end of the year, so stay tuned for our next video update as we bring you the perfect platform to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin and 15 other cryptocurrencies and amplify your digital assets.